Hello, welcome back. Today I'm gonna review a new car, very rare. I would say this is, even in Japan, it is pretty rare. It's kind of hard to find it. I mean, especially the clean one. You know, like I'm not talking about like damage and junk car, but this is the clean, low mileage, super hard to find. So anyway, so this is a 1995 Toyota RAV4. Remember this first generation RAV4? Like everybody talk about it, and this is the best generation of the RAV4 that they ever made. And they start selling this car, I believe, in 1996. But this is the 95 one. This is the one from Japan, and this is the 95, the year 95, and the mileage for this car. It has only 42,000 kilometer, which is equivalent of 26,000 miles. So like that's the reason why I was saying like this is a super low mile RAV4. It's kind of really hard to find. So I just got it last week. I got registered yesterday and got the title. I didn't get the title yet. I got the license plate now, and I already registered it. It's ready to go. And for this car, the upgrade that I did is I put the new rims. It is coming out of RAV4 also. I believe this is the 2014 RAV4, I guess, and it has the off-road tire, so it looks really good on this car. You know, like you can see, this is like a mini monster for me. And well, I think that's the reason why people call mini cruiser, because this is very capable of off-roading on this car, especially with lightweight and the short wheelbase. Yeah, and this is all-wheel drive. I mean, this is full-time all-wheel drives. So this is the one. This is the one. This is gonna be very hard to find it here. And this car has 2.0 liter 3S FE engine. If you guys remember my Carina EDGD, the one that I just uploaded the video like a few weeks ago. I mean, I sold that one already, but that one has 3S GE engine, which is same as the Toyota Celica engine, and it has a little bit more horsepower than this one, but this is the kind of like a base engine of Carina ED also. This is the 3S FE, and I believe 140 horsepower or something like that. But I know the 3S GE has more horsepower than this one. But yeah, it looks really good. This car looks amazing. I mean, there's no rust or anything. You can see there's the no rust underneath. The paint is in perfect condition. There's like no paint fading spots or anything. The inside was super clean also. The only thing I have to say is the if you look at the front, the fog light, it works. It lights up and everything. But there's some cosmetic, as a little scratch and stuff. But besides that, this very good looking car. A very good looking car. And I forgot to mention that this is automatic, full-time all-wheel drive, and it has the removable moonroof. It's two moonroof. You can remove it and put it in the storage. I mean, I'll show you in a few minutes. I'll show you in a few minutes that the inside of the car. Then I'll let you know. All right. Yeah, the car looks really awesome. I was driving, and people look at me and people take the picture of this car because they're like, what is that? It's like, I'm like, it's RAV4. It's not like any other like crazy car, but yeah, it does look really good. All right, let's see inside of this car. So like I mentioned it here, the paint, you can see that like the paint has stay shiny and stay dark green metallic, and there's no paint fading spots or anything. There's no rust at all, and even you can see that the plastics covers are stay shiny and stay showing as black, you know. And yeah, see, this is a two-more roof that I was mentioning. It is removable. I'll show you in a second. This is the spare tires cover, and they call it RAV4. Yeah, let me show you the inside of. So here, you can see it, the moonroof holder, like I mentioned it before. So there's the they have a holder for the moonroof. I remove it and I just put it there. So yeah, look at this, how clean the inside of this car. I know it is two-door, and it still has it's good amount of rooms in the back, you know. Yeah, and here, oh, and this is the two boxes are here, the car jack, and there's another side here, and there's a speaker over there, and here's a moonroof, and the seats are in very good and has the original Toyota sun visor, no, wind deflector. It's a rear view mirror, and there's the 17 inches alloy wheel with the tires. Sorry. So here, this is the one I'm talking about. It has some scratch down here, and the Bosch, this one looks pretty good condition, but not this one. This is how I got it. It's just they put a duct tape on it, so hopefully can replace it, or maybe maybe if remove that one, probably gonna be nicer too. Yeah, like I said, the bumpers are in very good condition. Let me show you in the underneath. Let me see if I can show you that. So here, that's what it looks like underneath. So what do you guys think? That's pretty cool, right? This is the TV antenna. So they have a Toyota manufactured by Toyota CD changer, and also the what do you call it, GPS and TV receiver, I guess. Let me show you inside. So like I said, the seats are in very good condition, no stains, no rip or anything, and it looks very good inside. It's like brand new. You know, there's a CD changer down here. Oh, the floor mats. Oh, here, see that? And the floor mats are RAV4 also. So this is the one I'm talking about. Toyota. See that? Toyota. CD changer, GPS, and there's a cassette player down here. And there's a cup holder up there. Yeah, it's pretty interesting car. Pretty interesting car. Yeah, the inside was pretty awesome. I like this 90s, you know, like colorful seat. And here you can see that 42,828 kilometer, probably 27,000 miles. And this is the fog lights on and off button. So this one doesn't have the retractable, foldable mirrors, side mirrors. And they put this one, it is like underneath this is the original RAV4 floor mats there, because they put some weather floor mat, I guess. Let me start the car so you can hear the sound. So yeah, that's how it started. They call it auto changer. And there's a button for on and off. Where is it? Oh, here. Okay. How do I fold it back? Ah, look at that. Nice. And it's a power and manual for the transmission. Yeah, it's a pretty cool car. So this is available for sale. I'm gonna be listing soon. Just let me know what you think of. I think this is the like very hard to find one of the kind car, you know, that you can own. I mean, it is the first ever generation RAV4 in two-door version. There's another version with the convertible. Yes, those are like popular also. It's kind of hard to find too, but I probably don't want it because the convertible top probably hard to replace it. I mean, parts, you know. For this one, it's hard top and the removable moonroof just makes it better. So yeah, hit me up, man. Just let me know, put some comments, and the anything you want to know, you need to know, just let me know. Yeah, I'll answer right away. And I hope you enjoying this video, and I hope you like my cars. Yeah, I'm the JDM importer. I'm located in Houston, and I do import all kind of cars. So if you need anything, just hit me up, let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.